Stop buying medications.
"12 amazing health benefits of scent leaf and bitter leaf juice for poultry and livestock. Natural cure and booster."
Buying medications. If you're a poultry farmer, I will advise you in this particular video, stop buying synthetic medications to take care of CRD or coccidiosis. You are actually wasting your money and you are spending much because you have natural plants that can take care of this effectively without any symptom at all. This is scent leaf. Combination of scent leaf and bitter leaf can take care of CRD and coccidiosis. Knock them out within 5 days without any scratch at all. You won't even notice any sign again. If your poultry birds are dropping reddish fluid or whitish fluid, this particular plant, when you combine it with bitter leaf, it's going to knock out and clear everything concerned. Even their poop will clear immediately, and they will not have any sign of infection or any sign of coccidiosis or CRD at all. So use this particular plant. This is combination of bitter leaf and scent leaf to take care of CRD and coccidiosis. Knock it out in 3 to 5 days. We are going to use this particular plant now. I'm going to give you the medicinal and health benefits of scent leaf and bitter leaf combined therapy. So here I'm going to plug this scent leaf now. I'm going there to get this bitter leaf where we have it in the farm also. We'll combine the two of them, show you how you're going to make use of it, the dosage, and how you're going to prepare it for your poultry birds to get healthy birds. And healthy birds means healthy farming, and you're going to get a maximum result. The only way you can achieve a better result in your poultry farming is making sure that your poultry bird doesn't have any sign of infection. Any infection can make them not to have the weight you need. You are not selling the feathers. Remember, what you're selling is the meat. And if your poultry bird doesn't have weight, it means you don't have anything to sell. Thank you for watching. Let's plug this leaf now and get the bitter leaf. Then show you how you're going to combine it, the dosage, and how you're going to administer it to your poultry birds to get the maximum result. Stop buying synthetic medication. Stop buying drugs for your poultry birds. This is the best organic plant that can take care of your poultry and livestock animals in a short period of time. This is scent leaf. Let's get the bitter leaf. Let's go there. You can see bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf extract in curing coccidiosis and CRD in poultry. How do you do this? Just get combination of bitter leaf and scent leaf is what we are using to cure coccidiosis and CRD. If you are having reddish droppings in your poultry beds, white droppings, your chickens are finding it difficult to breathe. Remember, we are in rainy season, and one disease that you can witness in your poultry pen during this rainy season is coccidiosis and difficult in breathing, as caused by chronic respiratory disease, that is CRD. Get 500 dose or 500 grams of bitter leaf extract and scent leaf extract. Wash it thoroughly, extract the juice, and administer this to your poultry birds. Give them at least 20 ml for 100 birds. 5 to 7 days, you're going to get amazing results. It's going to clear everything. But make sure your poultry pen floor is always dry, because this is infection that is caused by wet poultry pen. Don't allow the floor of your poultry house to be wet always. This will give rise to pathogens that will do what? Increase the risk of coccidiosis in your poultry pen. And as a result of this, you may not have accurate results. You can't get the maximum result of your poultry. They're going to lose weight. Once they lose weight, remember what you're selling is the weight. You're not selling the birds by age. You're selling the weight of the birds. If they don't have weight, nobody will buy it. They will always have feathers. Get rid of all these things that can cause them to drop the weight, that reduces their feed conversion ratio, because this bitter leaf has a lot of medicinal value that can clear their gut system and at the same time the intestinal tract infections. Even parasites like worm and endoparasite, this can take care of them. Let's go and use this to take care of your poultry birds. I'm going to give you the dosage and how to administer it to your poultry birds. Let's get there.
In the world of organic poultry and livestock farming, the use of herbal remedies is gaining massive attention due to their effectiveness, affordability, and safety. Two powerful leaves often used by experienced farmers are scent leaves, Ocimum, gratissimum, and bitter leaves, Vernonia, amygdalina. When combined and extracted into juice, these two herbs form a potent natural remedy for preventing and treating several diseases in poultry and livestock. Beyond healing, they also serve as immune boosters, appetite stimulants, and growth enhancers, making them a valuable addition to any natural farming strategy. In this particular video, we are going to show you how we use bitter leaf and scent leaf to take care of CRD and coccidiosis in our poultry farm. Please watch this video to the end to get the best knowledge you use to run your poultry without any synthetic. Stop buying synthetic medication to take care of your poultry. 12 medicinal benefits of scent leaves and bitter leaf juice in poultry and livestock. 1. It boosts immunity naturally. It enhances white blood cell production and builds strong resistance against diseases. It fights coccidiosis. It acts as natural anti-coccidiosis, reducing blood droppings in poultry and livestock animals that are prone to coccidiosis. It also improves gut health. Improve digestion and gut health. It contains antimicrobial compounds that clean the gut, reduce diarrhea, and support nutrient absorptions. Reduces respiratory infections. It is a powerful tool against chronic respiratory diseases, CRD, and helps clear mucus from airways, thereby giving the birds freedom to breathe and convert their feed. It cures bacterial infections. It is effective against common bacterial infections such as Salmonella and Callibalosis. It improves fertility and reproductive health. It enhances egg production and fertility in both layers and breeding stocks. It reduces stress and mortality. It acts as a calming agent during heat stress and transport stress or changing of environment for poultry birds. Heal wounds and skin infections. It protects against skin infections, promotes faster healing of pecking injuries and skin sores due to its antiseptic properties. The diseases and poultry health conditions, the combination of scent leaf and bitter leaf extracts can take care of or cures effectively are 1. Coccidiosis, chronic respiratory disease, CRD, Newcastle-like symptoms, worm infestations in poultry, bacterial infections, Salmonella and E. coli, diarrhea and gut infections, stress-reducing and sick skin infections, and appetite loss. It also helps in feed conversion in poultry and livestock. If you're a poultry farmer and you have all these symptoms or any of the symptoms in your poultry birds, combine these two extracts and take care of them. It also take care of heat stress, reproductive issues, liver toxicity, external wound and heal skin infections. It also takes care of wounds in poultry and livestock animals, either caused by the pen or by pecking or cannibalism. Any of these, this particular plant takes good care of them. It also helps the birds to eat well and convert their feed, thereby gaining massive weight within a short period of time. This particular leaf, when combined together as combined therapy, works faster and help you to maximize your investment and gain a lot from the business. If you're a poultry farmer, please watch the video till the end and share the video to reach more farmers. If you have any question concerning this particular topic, please kindly drop it on the comment section. I will attend to the question and at the same time guide you more. How do you prepare this? Gather 500 grams of this particular leaf, each of them 500 grams to give you 1 kg. This 1 kg can take care of 1,000 birds. Wash it thoroughly. If you have blender, blend it very well. If you don't have blender, please use your mortar and pound it. If you don't have mortar, please, you can squeeze it with your 2 hands. Squeeze it thoroughly. After squeezing it, add 1 liter of water to make sure the juice comes out completely. You can preserve this also for future use. How do you preserve it? Store it in a very tight container. You can keep it inside your fridge. Not inside the freezer, please, inside the fridge. Then take the liquids, 10 ml of it to 1 liter of water. Then 20 ml to 2 liters of water and administer to your poultry birds. Depending on the number of birds you have. Now see how you administer. Every poultry farmer who would like to share this video to reach more farmers in order to help them grow their poultry without any synthetic and make more profit. Share this video, please. If they have already contracted any of the above mentioned infections, please starve them in water for some hours after food before administering this particular extract or juice to make sure they drink it all.